Let's have a look at some examples of the sum and difference of cubes. So our example here asks us to factorize x cubed plus 1. We know x cubed is a cube number, and we know 1 is a cube number. 1 is just 1 cubed, because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And now we need to factorize this. Well, if we remember our expression, a cubed plus b cubed equals, open bracket, a plus b. Remember our mnemonic, SOAP. Our sign here is the same. Then we have a squared minus, because opposite sign here, ab, plus, because this sign is always positive, ap, b squared. So this is our expression. And here, a is x and b is 1. So when we factorize this, this will be x plus 1, new bracket, x squared minus 1 times x plus b squared. And b squared is just 1 squared. So if we simplify that, we have x plus 1, x squared minus x plus 1. And that is the simplification and factorization of x cubed plus 1. So let's look at part B. It asks us to factorize 8x cubed minus 27y cubed. Well, 8x cubed, we know 8 is a cube number, and we know x cubed is cube number. So what's the cube root of 8? That's 2. Cube root of x cubed is x. So 8x cubed can be expressed as 2x cubed. And similarly for 27y cubed, we know 27 is a cube number, and so is y cubed. 27 is just 3 cubed, and then we have our y. And so now we have in the form a cubed plus b minus b cubed here. Well, our expression is going to be different. If we remember, a cubed minus b cubed, it's going to have all the same brackets and terms. It's just going to have different signs, which we remember by our mnemonic SOAP. So our first sign is going to be the same, so it's going to be negative. Second sign is going to be opposite, it's going to be positive. And our last sign is going to be always positive, so it's going to be positive again. And our terms are the same. We have a, b, a squared, ab, and b squared. And so if we substitute that down here, that means we'll have 2x as our a, same, 3y as our b, then we have our new bracket, 2x squared, which is 4x squared. Then we'll have opposite sign, then we'll have a times b, so 2x times 3y, then we'll have always positive sign, and then we'll have 3y squared, which is just 9y squared. And if we simplify that, that's 2x minus 3y multiplied by 4x squared plus, well, let's multiply out our coefficient. 2 times 3 is 6xy plus 9y squared. And that is this expanded and simplified. So let's have a look at another question. It's asking us to factorize 8x cubed on 8 minus y cubed on 27. Well, 8 cube number, 27 cube number, y cubed and x cubed are both cube numbers. So we can put this in the form a cubed minus b cubed. So we have x on 2, because the cubed root of 8 is 2. And we have y on 3, because the cube root of 27 is 3. And then we just do the same thing again. So this will be a minus b, because same, opposite, always positive. A squared plus ab, remember, opposite sign here, plus b squared, because our last sign is always positive. So substituting our a being x on 2 and our b being y on 3, we have x on 2 minus y on 3. and then we'll have x squared on 4 plus x on 2 times y on 3 plus y squared on 9. And then if we just simplify that a bit, we are left with x on 2 minus y on 3, new bracket, x squared on 4 plus xy on 6, because 2 times 3 is 6, plus y squared on 9. And that is the factorization of our original term.